Hello, the world. Hello, everyone. My name is Ernst. Um, you are watching my boost of motivation, and every time I get a chance, uh, once a week I do a show, and I do it from different platform. And today's show, I thought what I'm saying. Anytime you get a chance to turn in into this channel, you will find me here. I will talking about money and how to become successful. So without wasting your time and my time, let's get into it because each video reveal some key elements, some key insight and information that you can use effectively to give you the result that you're looking for. Now, if you find yourself today in a situation that you don't like, I'm talking money wise, I'm talking about success. You got some dream, you got some goal that you wanna pursue or you wanna fulfill. It's a good day for you because here you will find information that can allow you to obtain whatever you want in life. It's important that you understand you can obtain whatever you want in your life, but to do so, you must learn a process that consists to follow a pattern, in which pattern you will unlock your system of thinking that will give you the drive necessary to canalize you into the avenue, the pathway, okay, the field, the endeavor that you will use to obtain whatever you want. Understand that the materialization of success came from the process of thinking. No matter what it is in this world, somehow, somewhere, there is an individual, a person, or a group of persons that been thinking about the specific ideas, project that will take form and come to you, that you can express your feeling for it, or you can use it as a tools or as a material thing that you can consume, that can give you the freedom of contentment that you're looking for. Now, this process is calling the thinking stuff, right? You think. When you start thinking, you generate ideas. Ideas is the first level of thinking. Now, the idea you have in your mind you will try to give this idea a kind of embodiment, a kind of material, physical appearance. Let's say that you've been thinking about, let's say you're living in New York, you've been thinking it's really cold and you feel uncomfortable with this weather, and you've been thinking about how can you solve this problem. So this thinking process puts you at work, and now you will start to visualize a kind of thing that you can use to keep you warm. That thing can be a heater, kind of boiler that's at house, or that can be some kind of wear, keep your body warm, or it can be some kind of diet, nutrition, some kind of food that you use that keep your body really warm and help you with the cold. Or otherwise, you can use some kind of exercise. Um, can use some kind of physical exercise or mental exercise that will give you the ability to deal with the cold. You got the idea, right? So you start with the thinking process. When you start thinking and the thought process, you move forward to this generate an idea, and the idea now start have a shape. The shape can be in your mind, but you can materialize the shape as a plan, a blueprint. Say that you want to create a department store, right? Or you want to create an e-commerce website, something like that. This is the idea. Okay, the idea is the idea of what you want to have, and then you will start shape this idea in the material form. The first step is a plan, right? So you write down in different step, right, different level of your project. You want to create a e-commerce website. You want to learn how to sell online, build a website, buy domain, do some stuff, create the website and selling. But you don't have a budget for that. You don't have enough money for that. You might have $50, right? You said, okay, the first step is learning how to sell online. So you take that $50, right? And you start buying used stuff from like very cheap store, dollar store, or thrift shop, very place that you can find things, good things with low cost. And maybe by learning how to sell online or to build an e-commerce, you can start selling this small stuff on eBay or on Amazon or on Etsy or any other platform that you might like. And then you start learning how to sell online, but you're still making money by selling on eBay or Amazon or Etsy or any platform that you might like. Now, don't think you will have the full e-commerce business that you want to create, the next company big as Amazon that you want to create with the money, with the budget that you use to sell on eBay. You start selling on eBay, you make profit, you sell the profit, and then you imagine that the selling process that you're doing on eBay, you said is one aisle of your department store. It's one sector, one section inside your department store, which is the e-commerce. And then more grow, you start growing, selling on eBay. You're selling an other platform, eBay and Etsy and Amazon. Now you're selling in 3 platforms. And by making more money, you're learning, and you save enough money, you build your e-commerce website. So when your e-commerce website will build, that can take you 1 month, 2 months, 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. But when you get this level, when only you've been doing that, you got experience in the market, but people on the marketplace, they know you, they know your name, your brand. And this is how you start from selling, start selling with $50 on eBay to sell for $20,000, $100,000 on your e-commerce platform. The taking stuff you use now drive you to create the small gig by selling on eBay that will give you the e-commerce website with drop shipping process if you want to use that, or it can be any other thing. Right? It can be that you want to open a plumbing company, but you got to start learning plumbing and work in a plumbing company, or and then by use equipment, and maybe you buy a truck and you start, or a truck or a pickup truck, and you start doing some gig fixing stuff for people. You got a plumbing license, and after that, gradually you start to create your own company, your own contractor company of plumbing business. This is how people obtain success. Success is a kind of, right? Is a kind of evolution from one stage to another. Now, I take some, I present you in this video some like very direct and technical example, right? All the example I take some direct and technical, but you can use the same process if you want to use creativity like art, performance, and writing, reading, and you can use it to create ideas that you want to use that will give you the level of success you want. But it can be not only for business or creativity, it can be for any other material things that you might want or desire that you might hold and you want to fulfill. Let's say that you want to buy a new car, right? You start thinking about the car, visualize the car, you know, take a plan. If I'm buying a car, I will need this. When I'm buying my car, I will use this model, this color, this thing. And you got the model, the color. Now you have to start visiting the dealership, you know, to find how much the car costs and go inside. Maybe take a test drive, sit inside the car, smell the perfume, touch the gear, and everything. Put your mind into the same frequency of the car, and you will obtain the car from one way or another. If it's somebody that you want in life, so you got to prepare yourself about that, thinking about what kind of people you want in your life, and get out, meet people, talking with other friends. This is the type of people I'm looking for, and all of a sudden you will find yourself in presence of this particular person, and you will have the relationship that you'll be looking for years, and people will say, "Oh, how lucky are you?" Because you know how to obtain whatever you want in life, right? That's a very powerful statement, but that's a very simplest process. But you gotta follow it step by step and keep doing that, um, to perform the best of you in any circumstance you might find yourself in life. So that was a wonderful video, how to obtain whatever you want in life. I hope you like it. Okay, subscribe, and I will see you on the next video. And if you have any subject that you want me to talk, you want me to make a video about it, if the subject is about money, how to become successful, you can put it, drop it in the line of comment, and I will produce a video using this subject to empower you. That's it for today. That was a pleasure for me to be with you, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks.